Hello viewers, very warm welcome to the channel Shah Sharma Tarot. Let's see what's coming in your love life. So do keep in mind this is a general collective reading, so it is not necessary that everything resonates with you. So keep whatever resonates and leave the rest, and it may not necessary that these readings are for you. So if you feel connected, drawn or aligned, then only watch the reading, or else you can skip. So let's get started with the reading. I'll take two piles here. You can choose one of them, and you can see the reading. If you feel like you need to see both the piles, you can do that also. Might be possible some messages will be there in both the piles. So let's start. Universe, angels, guardian angels, do let us know what's coming in the love life of the viewers. What's coming in the love life of the viewers? What's coming? What's coming in the love life of the viewers? What's coming in the love life of the viewers? What's coming in the love life of the viewers? Okay, so we are here with the two piles. These are two piles. Select either of them. This is pile 1 and this is pile 2. This is pile 1 and this is pile 2. I hope you might have selected. Now let's get started. So we are starting with pile 1. Those who have selected this pile 1, what's coming in your love life? Okay, so pile 1 card which has come is 3 of swords, along with going with the flow. Okay, so what I can see here, pile 1, is that you may face a heartbreak in the coming time, and a card is saying that you don't need to be so much worried if this kind of thing happens with you. You just need to go with the flow, because it is a part of the process of your love life. So if your heart is being broken, or some heartache you are getting due to certain situation or issue, let it go from your energy. Don't hold tightly on that, or else you will invite more pain in your life, more suffering in your life. So do let it go. Okay, or for some of you it is showing that if you are already heartbroken, then you are attracting healing of your heart, a kind of healing of your heart. Okay, so people are asked, pile 1 is being asked to release that wounds from your energy and go with the flow of your life. So yeah, this is the message for you, pile 1, and this is going to be the energy in your love life, that you need to go with the flow. Don't hold on to the past traumas, or if something happens like this where you feel like your heart is being broken, then don't hold tightly on that, or else it will increase your pain. Just go with the flow. So yeah, pile 1, this is the reading. Do let me know if it resonates with you. Do like, share and subscribe, and if you're interested in personal reading, do let me know. You can get the contact detail in the description. Thank you so much, pile 1. Now let's move to pile 2. Those who have selected this pile, this is pile 2. What cards have come? This is 6 of wands and maturity. So pile 2, what I can see here is that in your love life, some good news is coming in your love life. Some kind of offer, or some kind of, I can see, emotional expression uh, with maturity. Emotional expression with maturity, with sensitivity and commitment, you can say, is coming in your love life. So you are attracting a proposal from someone. You are attracting some mature love in your life, some mature proposal, some mature expression towards yourself. Or it may also be that some of you may step up in your love life. If you are not committed, you can enter into a commitment, and if you are already commitment, you may get married to each other. So this is the kind of energy where you are advancing in your love life, where you are entering into a more emotionally fulfilling and at the same time blissful and matured love energy. Okay, so yeah, I feel like a good time is coming, a good expressive time, a good enjoyable time, and as well as your love life, I can see, is enhancing, is getting matured, is getting step up. Okay, is moving forward. If you're already in a relationship, that is upgrading. Okay, if you are not, then someone is entering in your life with whom you can be in a relationship, and that will be a mature kind of relationship, that won't be a childish kind, that will be, as I said, a connection where you are giving and receiving equally, and where you both the people are contributing to enhance the relationship, to enhance the bond, or to strengthen the bond. Yeah, so yeah, pile 2, this is a reading. Do let me know if it resonate with you. Do like, share and subscribe. And yeah, if you're interested in personal reading, you can get the contact detail in the description. That's all for today, pile 2. See you in the next reading. Till then, take care. Bye bye.